This is what you don't know about crypto arbitrage trading. Actually, crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling the same assets at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So this is what we talk about P2P crypto arbitrage trading. And to get this or more classes, just go to my bio. You'll get a link there, not this crypto account, but not this Telegram account. I mean WhatsApp, but just go to my bio, click the link, and don't click here. Click the three dashes and open via browser to join free classes and learn more about crypto arbitrage trading in Telegram. So we'll go direct, and the things you need for you to start crypto arbitrage trading. You need a verified Binance account or any other centralized account, some capital. You can see I have a capital of 1,854 USDTs. You can use BTC, you can use Ethereum, and you can use any exchange. And also you'll need a verified Tranquil account. This serves as your centralized platform, and the price difference is what gives you the profits. So we'll get to it very fast. If you want to deposit, you know how to do it. Just come click on the three dashes, click on deposit, choose your cryptocurrency. You can use USDT, then you continue, you enter amount like 1,000. You go back to your Binance, you click on assets. You click here on assets, then you click on send, you click on withdraw assets, you choose your cryptocurrency, you paste the address, you enter network like TRC, you enter amount max, you withdraw and confirm. Then we'll provide a screenshot in Tranquilly afterwards. So after depositing is when you'll unlock your crypto arbitrage opportunities, where you come on P2P. Then you click on P2P arbitrage. So we bought at a lower price in a centralized platform, that is our Binance in this case. Here we just come and sell. So on Binance, don't sell, just buy. You know what it means, eh? And the other thing is we'll be receiving our profits direct to our Binance account. That is the other thing that they don't tell you. So we don't have to withdraw and get the charges and whatever. No, we just trade here and we receive our profits direct to our Binance account. So no withdrawal charges, no nothing. So I'll just come and should we do this or should we do, let's trade and make a withdrawal, eh? That is data, I'm sorry. Let's trade here and receive our assets in internal, because yesterday we did internal, today we'll do internal, and tomorrow we'll do external, but we will make a withdrawal right away. So I'll be trading with let's say 100 or 1,000. Then you can see that I will be using my Tranquilly deposit address. So let me copy my Tranquilly deposit address, then I paste it here, and we receive our assets in our Tranquilly, then we make a withdrawal right away. So as I said, you copy the address when you deposit, and as you can see, I'm trading with 1,000 USDT's capital, and I'll be expecting a gross gross profit of 1,190, but there is something called P2P fee, which will deduct me 23.80, and my final profit will be 1,166. So when I tell you to buy low on a centralized platform and sell high on a decentralized platform and make some good profits, that's what I mean. And you can see it is escrow protected, so you can't lose your funds in any way. So this is the trade running, and it will be going for at least 30 minutes. So